Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are gonna take this. Okay. Have you ever wondered how self-driving cars can navigate road or how medical image analysis tool can detect abnormalities? It's all thanks to a fascinating field called computer vision. So we're all here about to uh, talk about computer vision and CNN algorithm or CNN method in machine learning. What is computer vision? Computer vision is a science of teaching computer to see. It enables machine to interpret and understand visual information from the real world, just like humans do. Today's topic is today we are diving deep into fundamental concept in computer vision. It's edge detection. Edges are the boundaries between regions with different image properties like color or intensity. Detecting, detecting this edge is crucial for many computer vision tasks. One of the most popular tradition method is Kenny edge detection. It involves several steps: noise reduction, gradient calculation, non-maximum suppression, double thresholding, and edge tracking by hysteresis. And then visualize the process is use the simple image on show how each step transform the image. Then I will share screen uh, after this. Okay. Another approach is using kernel-based filter like Sobel and Prewitt operators. These filters detect edges by calculating the intensity gradient across different direction. I will share screen right now. Welcome to Collab. Share. Yes. And the first thing we have to do is load image upload, and then we get the actual file name from the coins. For this project, we use coins for detection of each target. So we are going to analyze the 500, 200, 150, and 25 coins of Indonesian rupiahs. And then we load previous image just like it using from peel import image and then just usually then the image can this and then we do this blurring image like blurred image filter Gaussian blur, then the output appear like this. Then we invert that image color so we could see where's the background and the object itself. After that, we do some scaling image, just using upload file name and then image using syntax that names scale factor and npclip. And then for the scale output, we can see like this. After that, we do the closing image processing and opening deletion. So for the previous class I have ever done in computer vision, yesterday, absolutely, is learning about this computer vision and coin detection for the CNN. So we could uh, learn, or the computer is can learn by the model through training and testing, and then the computer can detect which one is the 500 coins and which one is 200 coin and so on and so on and etc. And okay, we resume it. And then for deletion, we use using this syntax deleted image sama dengan image, and then erosion, erase image like this, Then we could plot title, plot subplot, image show. And then as we could hear, could see here, the original and closing and opening is different. Like is darker, is lighter, and so on. And then for the S section, we should make resulting. We should make resulting for what? For we could difference which one is black and white for noise detection. And noise detection is also important for not hmm, really appear to the background on your coin itself to just begin like it. So it have to appear two different section, black and white. And then after that we do some grayscale. And when we do some grayscale in computer vision in CNN absolutely is we have to using grayscale like this, as you can see here. The grayscale might not really important, but this can can be such indicator of which the background and which the object itself. The grayscale, this is not like grayscale we hope, then we have to grayscale more than before. We just using this enhance sharpener image gray, enhancer grayscale 1.2. Before is not just not like that. Ah, after that, we could see the difference between enhanced grayscale image and sharpener grayscale image and brightened grayscale image like this. Ah, and then from those image, I would like to see which one is 500 coins and 200 coins using this syntax. Import CV2, import NumPy, import Matplotlib, Google Colab Page, CV2 underscore IMSO, and so on and so on. And then we convert the grayscale, apply Gaussian blur to reduce noise, and then we circle this parameter 2 and minimal radius. And then for image itself, we have to using this matrix, and then for radius, if radius more than 30, then coin value is 500 and so on and so on. Huh. From this, we could analyze from the computer vision the 500 coin is radius 66 and 200 coin is 4 and for 100 coin is 40. But this is not actually true because this number is just the circle in this coin itself, not from the diameter, not from diameter. It's from the circle itself, in circle itself. Mm. And from this uh, characteristic we have, we could more analyze this. But we next is just crop this coin based on categories like 500, 200, 100, and so on. Using the circle, half circle, and parameter it, and then X in, Y in, W in, and H in, just like it. And then we crop those image to see like this. Okay. The coin value here. 500 like this, 500 again, 500, 500, 500. But this is not actually true. This is 500, also can be 200, 500, 500, 500, 500, and so on. 500 as the character is itself. And so many 500 here. And then we could see 500. Where's 200? This 200. This 100. 100 is 200. 200, 200, 100, 100. It's not really obviously a clear image. It's not a clear image. We need to processing this so much thus. We need to pre-processing this far away. So we have to how much the size of this coin. I I find it from this syntax. Are you using AI? Absolutely. And then from radius E, and then we could use this matrix too. And then it more than 30, coin value is your 500 and so on. And then we print the coin value. Just use this syntax, total value of coins, it's total value, and then CV2, and show image. And then we can see like this. Ah, first is not absolutely true because the 200 is not for like this. It's not true. So we have so more processing this. We make other image, upload another image to see how this CNN or computer vision work more than ever before. Yeah. Then we upload this image, then and then we from the last image detect which one is 500 and 200 and so on using CNN on convolutional neural network method. And then from this we could see as the convolutional neural network on CNN have uh, inspired by human visual system and particularly adapt and its process image data. And this is just additionally material from yesterday's lecture. CNN can be trained to directly learn feature of from raw image data, including each. By stacking multiple convolutional layers, we can extract increasingly complex features such as corner and shapes. And then, training a CNN involves feeding it large dataset or image and their corresponding edge maps. The network learns to adjust its parameter to minimize the difference between its predicted edge map and the ground truth. And then for practical demonstration, we will dive into the code and see how the framework like TensorFlow and PyTorch. And then we uh, summarize from those code. We often outperform traditional method, especially in challenging scenarios. But in here, we are going to use CNN method. In the CNN method, we use this, apply Gaussian blur, and then convert grayscale, CV2, CVT color, and then convert the peel image, just like the syntax before. And then we detect using how circle to use a max radius and mean this is 50. And then if circle is not true, none, the circle for the in circle 0 point double point, and then if radius more than 35, coin value is 500 and so on, so on, so on. And then print for silicon parameter. For coin tuple, this is the key, absolutely. And then you could use this radius circle params is tool. And then we print it. Huh. And then the output is coin at this coordinate radius this is value 500 and then this also on etc. This is 100 and then this we can see 200 and then this coordinate is actually referred to this coordinate is and then total value of this coin is 20 grand. Yes, 20 grand. But we can see this we not have coordinate yet, so we'll add coordinate from this output. Yes, this can XY radius circle parameter. It's same like before because it's additional is a and the output from this coin values and then we run this coin value same like before. We use CV2 and then Google Colab page to CV2 I'm show and then annotate image and then we are going to CV to put text annotate image str value and x plus radius plus 5 y for Hershey simplex 0.5 and then from the intensity is 255 0 and 0 and then 2 this is for the complexity of the coins. Then we could see this coordinate with radius. This is 500 coin, 500 coin, 200 coin, 100 coin, and so on and so on. This is the absolute last output. So as we could see here, this is 500. This is 50, but this is not 50 actually. This is 1,000. This is 1,000 also. This is 50. 500 is true. Is 500 true? This is not 100. It's not true. But I think this process is truly beneficial if we could use this in a right amount of way. Beside that, in my project, this is not absolutely really done. I need some more revision from this project, and this project not actually finished yet. I'll see you in the next video, and this I'll fix them. But thank you for watching. This is what I've done for yesterday's project, computer vision, CNN, convolutional neural network. I'll stop share screen. So is that. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.